Hey everyone, Codex here. So today what we're gonna do is take a look at Elrond's native token EGLD, and we'll be discussing what we should expect in terms of price action on the macro scale. So if you guys like the content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and of course make sure to join our Telegram channel. So similar to Bitcoin and most other cryptocurrencies, EGLD hasn't been doing much in the third quarter of this year. It has pretty much been trading in the same range between 45 and 65 US dollars, and it's also still down over 90% from its all-time high. Now, if you focus on what's happening with the cryptocurrency asset in general and not only on EGLD, you will notice that the volatility has in fact been decreasing, and the deeper we head into the end of 2022, the lower the price movements get. And for many, this might be frustrating actually, especially if you want to enter again. You don't know if you should enter now or later, the market isn't really giving you signals, and you are confused about what approach you should actually take. And so today, we will discuss all of that. Now, if you go over the Phoenix Ascending, which is a momentum indicator, we can see that the blue LSMA and red RSI are still below 50, which means that we are still having a bearish trend. We always say that as long as these two lines are below the mid yellow line, it's better to remain on the sidelines, because that's usually an indicator that the selling pressure is still strong. However, on the weekly time frame, we have just got a bullish cross between the ascending green line and the red RSI. Now, this doesn't mean that the price will go up today, but it's usually a very positive sign. The last time we have gotten something similar on this indicator was when EGLD bottomed at 38 US dollars, which was a couple of months ago. And afterwards, we ended up having a decent move up. I know that we didn't rally back then, but still, EGLD went from 38 US dollars to almost 70 bucks. Before that, we have also gotten the same signal here, a cross between the red RSI and the ascending green line, which ended up with the price going up over 100% in less than 3 weeks. And so, yeah, this has happened multiple times actually. And so what I want to say now is that usually this cross is a sign of a bottom, not necessarily a bear market's bottom or a cycle's lowest point, but it could be a local bottom for some time. If you ask me about what I think personally, I will repeat the same words I've been saying over and over. November 23rd marked the first bearish video that I uploaded on this channel regarding Elrond, and you could see the date here, and that was pretty much the same day where EGLD found its peak. Now, I honestly didn't know that it will peak, but it did, and since then we have been in a very tough bear market, and EGLD got destroyed. However, I think that it's time now to change the bias, at least on the midterm. What I mean is that although I think that we won't see a bull market, a serious bull market, such as the one we've seen at the end of 2020 and in the beginning of 2021, I don't expect that to happen until Q3 or Q4 of next year. But in the meantime, I do expect the price to remain in a very tight range, pretty much like BTC in 2019. I do expect something like this for the next months, and so we'll see how it goes. The issue with most people is that they lack patience, which I've mentioned in the past. I've been on the sidelines for months now, and many can do it. Most people in this community have this urge to jump in every single trade, especially if the price gets a small boost. They feel like they will miss out if they don't buy or sell, and those of you in the Telegram group know that I've been just waiting these past months. I haven't participated in the White Token Launch, neither did I take a part of the snapshot or any event related to the Elrond network. 2022 has proven that cash is the best performing asset till now, and you will see how things develop from here. I think that buying EGLD, buying an asset at a 90% discount is a very good deal, especially if you are a big believer in the project. It can go lower, it can always go an extra 30 to 40% down from here. But for someone who has been waiting for over 9 months now, I think that opportunities are getting better. Again, just to clarify the matter, I don't think that we will see a bull rally, and by bull rally I mean like a 10x or a 20x, until the end of next year. But in the meantime, I do expect some high spikes, some relief rallies for EGLD to 70, 80 US dollars. And so we'll see if that takes place. So that was about it, everyone. Thanks for sticking by. Also, if you want to store your cryptocurrencies or EGLD in a hardware wallet instead of the Maya app or any exchange, make sure to check out Decent. It's a hardware biometric wallet and they are offering a discount on the current wallet. So check the link down below. Have a nice day and we'll discuss what's next in another video. Bye bye.